going to discuss next topics of our second chapter, addition. In our last video, we would discuss the three topics. Now, the next topic is adding by making tens. Adding by making tens. So, in this, we have to make the groups of tens. See, these are balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, 5 balls. Suppose Ankit have 5 balls. His sister Anita gave him 7 more balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many total number of balls Ankit have? So, we have to add the numbers. We have to add 5 plus 7. We have to add 5 plus 7. But first we have to make a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First we have to make a group of 10 like this. This is a group of 10 and here 2 balls are left. 2 balls are left. You know, group of 10 means 1 tens. 1 tens and 2 1. 1 10 and 2 1 equals to 12. So Rajay, this is the another way to add the numbers. This is the another way to add the numbers. Now the next topic is adding 3 numbers. Adding 3 numbers. So Ajay, this is also a simple way to add 3 numbers. Suppose we have 3 numbers 2, 5 and 4. Now we have to add these 3 numbers. So it's very easy. Use fingers to count to add the 3 numbers. First number is 2. First number is 2. Now we have to add 5 into. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 fingers. So start from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Now next number is 4. So these are 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. Now start from 8. Because 2 plus 5 is 7. Now we have to start from 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. So Rajay, when we add these 3 numbers, the answer is 11. The answer is 11. So Rajay, like this you have to add the 3 numbers. This is a simple way to add the 3 numbers. Okay. So next is adding a single digit number. Adding a single digit number. Adding a simple digit number. So a single digit number. Suppose we have to add 3 plus 4. These are single digits. So you know 3 plus 4. Draw lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the addition of single digit number. One more example of these type of questions. See, this is also example of addition of single digit number. Now we have to add only 3 in 24. So you know, draw the lines here 4 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. and here 2. So this is also an example of single digit number. So when we add 3 in 24, answer is 27. Next is adding a 2-digit number. Adding a 2-digit number. This is the addition of 2-digit number. This is the addition of 2-digit number. Draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Now count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Here 1, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3. So Rajay, these are the sums without carry. These are without carry sums. Here we have to add 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So when we add 13 in 24. When we add 13 in 24. Answer is 37. Answer is 37. Now we will do one more example of 2-digit addition. Suppose we have to add 43 in 56. Draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when we add 3 in 6, answer is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when we add 4 in 5, answer is again 9. So Rajay, when we add 43 in 56, answer is 99. Answer is 99. This is the example of 2-digit addition. Next is story sums. Next is story sum. Suppose Hina is a girl. Hina have 3 candies. Hina have 3 candies. Her mother gave her 4 more candies. Hina has candies equals to 3. Her mother gave her candies equals to 4. Her mother gave her candies 4. So I repeat, Hina is a girl. She has 3 candies. Her mother gave her 4 more candies. So how many candies does Hina have now? So we have to find the total number of candies. Total candies Hina have. So we have to add the numbers. 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Hina have total 7 candies. Hina have total 7 candies. So Rajay, these are called story sums. You have to write the statement. You have to write the statement for these sums like this. Okay? Now we will discuss one more example of story sum. Arjun. Suppose Arjun is a boy. He has 4 balls. He has 4 balls. Arjun has balls. again you have to add the numbers. 4 plus 3. You know 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So now Arjun has total 7 boards. So Ajay, this is all about our second chapter addition. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.